Jeff and Jay here with another edition of Jay's Big Adventure. Jay's the Fuzzy Guy, and today we are addressing the cooling issue that happens on all BMW K bikes from 2005 to the present. To remove the front fender, we're just going to remove these 4 bolts, 2 on each side, and take this whole assembly into the kitchen since Laura and the girls aren't home. What we're going to do today is try to eliminate that lower part of the radiator from getting clogged by adding this. Thanks, Jay. We got this, I believe, on eBay. It might have been on Alibaba, but it's just a fender extension, and it comes with 3M double-sided sticky tape, and it's going to fit right here. That little bit of an additional extension should help keep the radiator clean. The first thing that we're going to do is clean this surface really well. Now, I've got some rubbing alcohol, and I washed this in the sink. Don't tell Laura. At least I didn't run it through the dishwasher. Not that I have ever done that before. Totally untrue. Vicious rumor. But what we're going to do is just clean this with alcohol and make sure that that mounting surface is completely clean. And there's still some dirt on there. And now, we're just going to take the tape off. As sticky as this stuff is, we are probably only going to get one chance to get this right. And just like that. And that is all there is to it. Now let's put it back on the motorcycle. With the fender reinstalled, you can really see the difference that this piece makes. Here's where the old fender ends, right here. This is now several inches further down, and that keeps the rocks from getting knocked up into the radiator in this center section, which is where a lot of that debris collected. So I think this is going to work out really well. And the next step, of course, is going to be to road test it, and that's going to take a while. So that's going to be it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and we'll have more videos out soon.